So right off the bat, getting on the interstate, the 8-speed shifts seamlessly. Really, really nice. And it does have quite a bit of pickup. And the lane keeping assist is really nice, doing a really good job just keeping us centered in this lane here. So I didn't get to go that fast on the interstate, but overall, a really, really nice ride. The vehicle was very, very quiet. And it's actually quite easy to maneuver on the interstate, even though it's a van. So I have the Carnival in sport mode now. I'm gonna try and open it up a little bit. Yeah, this has plenty of power, it really does. It's pretty good. And finds the right shift point very quickly. I wouldn't expect a van to be as quick on its feet as this Carnival is, but it really is very, very responsive. Ooh, and the brake pedal feel is so smooth. This is really impressive so far. And I have the vehicle in smart mode now. I'm just gonna see how that does. And it actually is taking these curves very nicely. Not as top heavy as I would have expected. And like I said about the brake pedal feel, it's just really easy to slow the vehicle down when you need to. And it's just really impressive. But overall, I'm really impressed with the all-new 2022 Kia Carnival.